Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve Leetcode daily problem. In this problem, we'll be given a binary tree root and an integer target. We have to delete all the leaf nodes with the value target. Note that once we delete a leaf node with the value target, its parent might be the new leaf node with that target. Then we have to delete that node too. Say an example here. There is an tree with the target value of 2. Here we can see here both the leaf nodes with target value 2 needs to be removed. We'll remove this and we'll remove this. After this will be our resulting tree. Here this node will be our new leaf node with the target value 2, so we have to remove this node 2 and the resulting node will be this one. Now there will be one more edge case. Here let's see this another example. Here let's assume our target value is 1. So once we remove all these nodes, this will be our resulting tree. Now these two values will be our new leaf nodes with the target value 1, so we will remove these nodes also. Now we are left with only one node, but if we can see here, this node is also an leaf node with the target value 1, so we have to remove this one also. So we're left with no tree. We have to return none in this case. At the code, we have to travel to the tree, so we need a function to do that. Let's define a function as tree, and we need to pass a variable. We need to pass node. Let's call it as root, and the current node is none. Let's return true. If not root, we will return true. Basically this function will return true or false, where true represents the node needs to be deleted and the false represents node is not need to be deleted. Let's check if the current node's left and right node needs to be deleted. For that we need to see left equals to tree of root dot left and right equals to tree of root dot right. So let's check if left means if the left node needs to be deleted, we have to do root dot left equals to none, and if right means if right node needs to be deleted, we will just do root dot right equals to none. And to determine if the current node needs to be deleted or not, we need to check its left and right node and the current value is target or not. For that, if left and right means the left node and the right node are deleted, are none, means the current node is a leaf node, and then we will check the root dot value is target or not. If it's target, then we have to delete this node, else we will return false. Now we have to call this node tree of root. As we discussed earlier, the root node itself needs to be deleted, so we will check if it needs to be deleted or not. So if it's true, so if the current node needs to be deleted, we will return none, else we will return root. Let's run the code. Here it should be written. Let's submit it. Yes, all our test cases are passed and it's a pretty good solution. We got 99% and 98%.